Hola, my name is Marcus from Marcus Language Academy. And today again, we will learn actively together and with Quizlet 15 new sentences in Spanish. And our topic of today is we will talk about the weather. No? Quite useful because normally when you have contact with somebody, you will talk maybe about the weather. And please don't forget, I have also a beginner's course to learn Spanish. No? Here on YouTube, it's free, okay? And you will find every time the link in the description of the video or in our corner over here, okay? So, yeah. First, in our first step today, we will see these 15 sentences we are going to learn to talk about the weather, and then we will learn it actively and study it actively with Quizlet. So let's see our sentences of today. So the first sentence is ¿Qué tiempo hace? No? What's the weather like? ¿Qué tiempo hace? Hoy hace sol. It's sunny today. Hoy hace sol. Mañana va a llover. And tomorrow it will rain. Mañana va a llover. A menudo hace viento. It's often windy. A menudo hace viento. Hace mucho frío. Oh, it's very cold. Hace mucho frío. El fin de semana va a ser calor. No? It will be warm or it will be hot at the weekend. El fin de semana va a ser calor. No está nublado. It's not cloudy. No está nublado. Nieva mucho. It snows a lot. Nieva mucho. Hay tormenta. No, there is a thunderstorm. Hay tormenta. Graniza por la tarde. It hails in the evening or in the afternoon. Graniza por la tarde. Hace 20 grados. It's 20 degrees. Hace 20 grados. Hay chubascos. There are showers. Hay chubascos. Hay niebla por la mañana. It's foggy in the morning. Hay niebla por la mañana. Hay humedad en verano. It's humid in summer. Hay humedad en verano. Es seco en invierno. It's dry in winter. Es seco en invierno. And yes, these are the 15 sentences about the weather. So now we will jump to Quizlet to study them actively. So let's go to Quizlet. And here we are on Quizlet, and I created this learning set, the weather in Spanish. And so this way we can now study all the sentences actively. Quizlet offers a variety of options to study this. This time we will take the flashcard mode. So let's go. And in options, please make sure that you track your progress. I highly recommend this. And normally you also can activate the audio, but in this case I will read the sentences, so it's not necessary, it's not needed. But if you're alone, you can activate it. Okay, so let's go. So now we have the sentence here in English, and you need to think and tell me what's the right translation into Spanish. Okay? Always I will give you 2 or 3 seconds. You can also pause the video, okay, and think a little bit longer. But in the end, no, I need your translation into Spanish. So how do you say, what's the weather like in Spanish? So if you need to, pause the video. And the solution is, ¿Qué tiempo hace? And normally you could decide if you know it or you still have to learn it, okay? But in this case, we will do one first round. I will mark all the sentences with we are still learning it, okay? And in the second round, I will mark it as known. But let's first put it here. It's sunny today. If you need, pause the video. Hoy hace sol. And we click here again. Tomorrow it will rain. Mañana va a llover. It's often windy. A menudo hace viento. It's very cold. Hace mucho frío. It will be warm at the weekend. El fin de semana va a hacer calor. It's not cloudy. No está nublado. It snows a lot. Nieva mucho. There is a thunderstorm. Hay tormenta. It hails in the evening. Graniza por la tarde. It's 20 degrees. Hace 20 grados. There are showers. Hay chubascos. It's foggy in the morning. Hay niebla por la mañana. It's humid in summer. Hay humedad en verano. It's dry in winter. Es seco en invierno. And we mark it here. And you see, no, we studied the 15 sentences, but they are still in the learning process. So let's focus on these cards again and let's practice them again. What's the weather like? No, do you remember now? ¿Qué tiempo hace? In our second round, I will mark all those sentences as known. Okay, I go here. It's sunny today. Hoy hace sol. Tomorrow it will rain. Mañana va a llover. It's often windy. A menudo hace viento. It's very cold. Hace mucho frío. And this sentence is also part of my basic course for beginners. And in this course, I even go further to help you to learn Spanish. So let's have a quick look what I mean. So here we have the sentence, hace mucho frío. And this is saying Leo. Leo, no, is the main character of the story, because in my basic course for beginners, you learn while following the story of Leo. And it's getting even better because every image will have, every sentence will have an image like this one. So I like to connect the sentence to an image. And we will use colors, no? Like the verb hacer ends in ER. So the endings are from the ER group. So it's green. So the background, no, I will color in green so that you remember that hacer, it's a regular verb, and in this case, we have the E as an ending. And like I told you, we have an image to every sentence. So we have the little image here, and it's part of lesson 17. Okay, so you will get the story, and the whole course, no, has a lot of images because we will create the whole story. No, and please remember, every image will have a sentence, and this way you will learn Spanish in record time. And it's for free. No, just check it out on my YouTube channel. You will find the link in the description, and this way I can help you learn Spanish. But let's go now back to finish our 15 sentences to talk about the weather on Quizlet. So this sentence now we know, hace mucho frío. It will be warm at the weekend. El fin de semana va a hacer calor. It's not cloudy. No está nublado. It snows a lot. Nieva mucho. There is a thunderstorm. Hay tormenta. It hails in the evening. Graniza por la tarde. It's 20 degrees. Hace 20 grados. There are showers. Hay chubascos. It's foggy in the morning. Hay niebla por la mañana. It's humid in summer. Hay humedad en verano. It's dry in winter. Es seco en invierno. And here we go. Now we studied all our 15 sentences. If you want to study even more, remember I have my basic course for beginners. Now you will find the link in the description and over here. And also I will put a link to this Quizlet learning set so you can study the weather by yourself. So please, if you want, check it out and study by yourself actively. And yeah, and please, if you want more videos, leave in a comment maybe some ideas, which 15 sentences you want to know. Please like the video, it helps me that maybe more people find my video. And also don't forget to subscribe that you don't miss the next video. Thank you very much, muchas gracias y hasta pronto.